लगाने आओ खड़ा। लास्ट टाइम बोल रहा हो जाओ खड़े, नहीं हो रहे ना? ये छोटू अपना वाला वाला।
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand for our national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
उठ। क्या किधर है? क्या किधर है? क्या
ओपन योर माउथ।
है अभी काले देखो क्यों बताऊंगा। ये सड़की सुनना, देखो लास्ट चांस बोल रहा हूँ, बोल दे ब्रीफकेस किधर है। अबे हरामी तेरी को जल रही है।
शिट 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 राघव कॉप्टर और राघव।
क्या करूँ?
शिट 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 शिट। रन रन रन।
जी मम्मी जी।
बेटा वो जर्नलिस्ट कुणाल के बारे में क्या पता चला?
हाँ वो सीबीआई चीफ को बुलाया है, आप बात कर लो उनसे आज।
पर बेटा सीएम तो तू है ना।
मम्मी मम्मी है। अबे ओए तेरे को समझ नहीं आता है क्या? इतना इम्पोर्टेंट काम है, जल्दी आ।
Sorry, so I'll be there in 5 minutes.
ए
Ma'am. Oh, how are you doing, Sushmita? Ma'am, I'm doing all right. I heard your dad's in the hospital. How is he doing now? He's doing better.
एक सेकंड, ब्रीफकेस का है, एक हफ्ता हो गया अब तक मिला नहीं है।
बेटा, manners.
So my top agents are working on it.
Oh, I'm getting a call. I'll be right back.
क्या टॉप एजेंट्स? 3 दिन देता हूँ, 3 दिन ब्रीफकेस मिला तो मिला, वरना जॉब तो जाएगी, तेरा बाप भी जाएगा, समझी ना?
ठीक है सर, I'll handle. मैम मैं जाती हूँ, मैं केस का देख लूँगी।
I believe in you.
जय हिंद मैम। Dave, Arpita and Fatima now. After last time, you really think they're fit for it? I mean, if they like the job enough, they'll come. And that briefcase, I don't care how they get it, they need to get it anyhow. Alright ma'am, consider it done. Stop looking at my face, go now. Hello Dave, I have some work for you. And you're not gonna like it.
Arpita, I saw a guy enter a room last night. You are at a mission. You need to control.
It's been 3 years. Move on.
Oh my god, guys, have you been? It's been so long.
I know, right?
Arpita, what's up with your lipstick? I see where that is.
Shut up Fatima.
So what do you think is there in the briefcase?
Oh, whatever it is, we need to find it, or else we are screwed.
So we don't even know what we're after. Well, that's a first.
Chief told me not to open it and just deliver it straight. So no question. Is that your new chick calling?
Shut up, Arpita. I've got a tip. It's a lead. Let's move.
Raghav, what were you thinking? Have you lost your goddamn mind?
Don't get me started. That cocky son of a asking for it.
We had him right where we wanted.
More like he had us right where he wanted. He was never going to give us that bloody briefcase.
I suggest you start thinking with your head or say goodbye to that bloody briefcase.
Status.
Journalists gave us nothing, but there's movement. CBI is sitting closer than we thought.
Then you know what to do.
Yes, sir. Are you done? We don't have time for your temper tantrum, so let's move.
Met that tea house. This is it.
The idea. A tapri. Wow.
Arpita, by all means, it's fine if you leave. No one's asked you to stay here.
Well, guys, focus. I get it that you all have beef between you all, but it's not necessary to get it over here.
Whatever.
Okay. So basically, I've heard that Kunal used to come here every day. So the chai wala might know where he stayed or maybe where he worked from.
So a chai wala is a brilliant tip. Oh my god.
Namaste, Chacha. Teen chai. Chacha, 2 minutes खाली बाहर आ सकते हैं? जी हाँ, क्या हुआ? Arpita, show him the picture of Kunal.
चाचा, आपने इसको कभी देखा है?
अरे ये तो कुणाल तो वो है, ये तो बहुत अच्छा लड़का है, लेकिन काफी टाइम से इधर आया नहीं है।
वो कहाँ रहता है?
मैं तो मालूम नहीं है। Shit.
Yeah, this is what you got, right? Your amazing idea.
Arpita, you didn't have any other better idea, did you?
Guys, can you all stop fighting for once? We have serious work over here. Oh, fine.
अरे मैं चाय के पैसे दे दो।
ओ माय गॉड लग गई क्या से क्या हुआ देखा तो कटोरा झांका तो कुआ बिल्ली जैसा चूहा तुम पकड़ा तो निकला काला नाग नाग नाग
सॉरी मुझे जाने दो, मेरे कुछ नहीं है, मेरी कुछ गलती नहीं, मेरे 2 बीवी के बच्चे, सॉरी 1 बीवी के बच्चे।
बात तो तू रहा है, हमने थोड़ी ना तुझे पकड़ा है।
तू इधर आके हमसे बात कर, तेरे लिए अच्छा होगा।
तुम्हारे को कैसे जानता है?
मैं उसके काम के बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता।
कुछ तो पता होगा ना तुझे।
कहाँ रहता है वो?
वो श्रीमती हाइट्स पे दूसरे माले पे 2 गली छोड़ के रहता है। चल निकल अब निकल। Monica, it's like we're chasing a ghost. I think we really need to find something.
I think killing the one person that knows the location of what we want will do just that, Raghav.
Taunting me now isn't going to bring that bastard back to life. You know that.
So what, we've just been chasing dust all day?
I think it's time to call him.
You're a joke if you think she's going to come through for you after everything.
Assalamu alaikum. Remember me? What? We'll have to wait.
What the hell does that mean?
Means we'll have to wait.
So what, we just sit on our asses and wait till your informant has decided we waited
Do you have any better ideas? I suggest you shut up until you leave.
I'm done. Call me when you want to do something other than sit and wait.
Monica, wait!
Love, also see me the briefcase. Don't you think we have taken long enough already?
Nah, I've spoken to the agents. They said they found the lead.
I don't care about all that. I need results and I have to answer to the minister soon.
ओए मेरा ब्रीफकेस किधर है
तो को अब तक नहीं मिला क्या briefcase?
So, my agent haven't found the briefcase yet, but we are on it.
क्या on it 3 दिन से तुम लोग क्या झक मरा रहे हो मेरे को तो मेरा ब्रीफकेस चाहिए
Mom, look at this.
So, my agent have just informed me that they have found a very big lead at the Tappi Wala.
क्या 3 दिन हो गए तुम लोग अब तक टपरी वाले के पास पहुंचे हो भाई काम कर ये ले मेरी नस काट दे और मार दे मेरे को जान से नहीं हो रहा ना सीबीआई बीबीआई मेरे घर पे आजा झाड़ू पोता लगाने तू
आपका घर किधर है? उधर लास्ट हाउस. ओके.
Use this stone.
दरवाजा तोड़ दो.
She yaar, it's Prince. Did he die or?
Too soon, Arpita. Don't jump to conclusions.
We need to search this house. कुछ ना कुछ तो ढूंढना पड़ेगा. खाली हाथ नहीं जा सकते.
On it. Guys, I think I'll go to park. Guys, I think I found something out.
Hare Ram.
Fatima.
Tawba tawba astaghfirullah.
Jackpot. The briefcase has to be somewhere here.
Is this a pen drive?
We should put it in my laptop and see what we find.
Make it quick.
Password, Fatima.
Okay. If you're watching this, I've ran out of time. Or someone made sure I did. What you're holding right now isn't just a briefcase. It's proof. Proof of what's going in this country. Make sure to protect it at all cost. Finish what I couldn't. Okay, it's very funny actually that I've never felt safe around four walls.
Wait, the coordinates.
If it was shorter, why wouldn't the boards match?
I have the coordinates now.
To where exactly?
I think that's for us to find out.
Guys! What's the point of running when we don't know where to go?
She's right. We can't hit the entire building. We need to have some plan.
In Kunal's video, there was something. 4 walls. He was trying to tell us something. 4 walls.
Oi, what's wrong?
Have you lost it?
In Kunal's video, he said he was scared of the 4 walls. It means it was in the open.
What, at the garden?
No, it can't be so obvious.
How about a place where people don't really visit often?
The terrace!
I really want to go for today's project.
Yeah, me too. But after Hayak, I didn't get a chance.
Speaking of Hayak, don't you think the winner was quite unexpected?
Completely unexpected. I didn't think you would win.
Anyway, we should definitely go for tomorrow's project.
Yes.
Madam, side ho na.
Guys, look around.
Shit, how did they find us?
I don't know. For now, forget it and cover me. इसके लिए काम करता है बोल? तेरी तरह सीधे को ताली हूँ।
I will kiss you now.
See बच्चा है तेरा.
See,
See what I did to Raghav?
I think you need to check on this Arpita.
How could you?
You didn't trust anyone to easily.
You bloody traitor.
Monica! Monica!
What the hell? Fatima, how could you?
I needed the money desperately.
I thought you were friends. This is having betrayal.
I had my own reasons.
Well, this one's for babe.
Oh, fuck.
Safe around 4 hours.
इस रात का है अपना मजा आ यार मस्ती में तू झूम जा इस रात का है अपना मजा आ यार मस्ती में तू झूम जा बैठा है क्या सीटी बजा लुंगी पकड़ के जरा घूम जा
ये डांस देख देख झटके लगे तेज तेज दिल सबका धक धक करे
रंट लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे रंट लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे ठुमका मेरा एक्सीलेंट लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे
Signing off.
Viva Production!